Okay, good morning. Today we're going to talk about a topic called lecture notes on e-commerce course. So under that one, we're going to the second slide. It will be presented by Peter Otieno Okoth, 2023, CS 154041, a student at KS TVET, that is me. So the first slide number 3, we're going to talk about electronic commerce. Basically, electronic commerce, commonly known as e-commerce, is trading in products or services using computer networks such as internet. Electronics commerce draws on technologies such as mobile commerce, electronics funds, supply chain management, internet marketing, online transaction, processing, electronic data EDE, inventory, systems, and automated data collection. So I went to the next slide, which is definition of e-commerce. You can say it is basically sharing of business information, maintaining business relationship, and conducting business transaction using components of telecommunication network. It must be connected to a network for e-commerce to take place. Yeah, that's basically what it means. Then slide number 5, we have we have categories of e-commerce. We can say electronic market present a range of offering available market segment so that the purchaser can compare the prices of the offerings and make purchase decision. Example, airline booking system. The second one, we got electronic data interchange, EDE. Then the next slide, we are going to the next slide. The next slide is we have the EDE layered architecture. So electronic data interchange. So it is basically where transaction takes place. From the internet has seven layers. So we have semantic, standards, packing, and physical. So this is the diagram that depicts how the systems works. Then we have slide number 7, internet commerce. It is used to advertise, make sales, wide range of goods and services. This application is for both business to business consumer transaction. Example, the purchase of goods that are then delivered by post or by booking tickets that can be picked up by clients when they arrive at the event. So we have this. So internet EDE and internet commerce. Then let's go to the slide number 8. We have advantages of e-commerce. Basically, buying and selling a variety of goods and services from one home to business. Another one, we have anywhere, anytime transaction. The other one is can look for lowest cost of specific goods and services. Business can reach out wide range of clients, can establish business partnership. We got order processing cost, electronic funds transfer. This is the when you buy goods and then you pay it. Then we got supply chain management, simpler, faster, and cheaper using e-commerce. Yeah. Let's go to the next slide. The next slide is slide number 9, is disadvantages of e-commerce. We have electronic data interchange, EDE. It's expensive for small business. Yeah, it can be expensive. Security of internet is not very good. Yeah, the system can be exploited by the attackers. You can say privacy of e-transaction is not guaranteed. That's true. We can go to the slide number 10. This is the threats of e-commerce. We have hackers attempting to steal customer information or disrupt the site. The second point, we have server containing customer information may be stolen. That's true, it can be stolen. Imposter can mirror down your e-commerce site to steal customer money. Yeah, a site can be cloned and it can have the same features as the original site. That's what basically it means. Then we have a disinfected employee may disrupting the e-commerce system. Yeah, it's also worth considering potential threats to your e-commerce platform, as identifying potential threats will help you protect your sites. Yeah, that's true. You can go to the next slide. That is slide number 11. This is features of e-commerce, ambiguity, internet. You can say internet web technology is a marketplace extended beyond traditional available everywhere, at work, at home, and boundaries is removed from temporal and elsewhere via mobile devices anytime. Geographical location marketplace is created. Shopping can customer convenience is enhanced and shopping costs are reduced. Yeah. Then we got global reach. The technology reaches commerce is enabled across cultural national boundaries around Earth. National boundaries seamlessly and without modification. Marketplace includes potential billions of customer, millions, and business worldwide. Yeah. Let's go to slide number 12. The slide number 12, we're going to talk about slide number 13. Slide number 12, we have universal standards. There is one set of technical media standards, technology standards, namely internet. So internet is very standard because it incorporates 7 layers. It's just the same. The internet you get in Kenya and other countries. We have richness, video, audio, and text messages. And text marketing messages are possible, integrated into single marketing messages consuming. Yeah. Interactivity. The technology works consumers are engaged in a dialogue that through interaction with the user dynamically adjust experience to the individual, makes consumer participants. We have personalization and customization. We have marketing messages, and technology allows personalized messages to customize of products and services are to be delivered to individuals as well as groups based on individual characteristics. Yeah. Can go to the next slide. We have business model of e-commerce. There are four main types of e-commerce on transaction party. You can go to this one. We have business to B2C. We can say in B2C, environment companies sell their product online to consumers who are the end users who product or services. Usually B2C e-commerce web shops have an open access for any visitor, meaning that there's no need for login or to make an order related to inquiry. So you have the picture that depicts that. You can see customer website. Yeah. So it comes from business. Yeah. You can go to the next one, which is slide number 15. This is business to business. Business to business e-commerce environment companies sell their online goods to other companies without being engaged in sales to consumer. It must be to be e-commerce environment entering the web shop will require login. 2B2. B2B web usually contains customer specification, pricing, customer assessment, and specification. So we have customer, business to business. So it does not involve customer or the consumer. So you can see from the picture how the process goes about. So you can go to the slide number 15, business to business. So business to business, we have is environment companies sell their online goods to other companies without being engaged in sales consumers. So it usually contains specific pricing and statement of customer specification. So we have like here, business to business. We have from here, you can see from the picture. Yeah. Let's go to slide number 16. We have consumer to consumer. In consumer environment, consumer usually post their products or services online to the companies that post bids. In consumer reviews bids and select company that meets its prices expectations. So we have website here. This is the e-commerce platform, business organization. Yeah, it's from consumer to the business organization. So yeah. Then we have slide number 17. We have consumer to consumer. This to involve consumer e-commerce environment. Consumers sell their online goods to other consumers. A well-known example is eBay. You can have Amazon. Yeah. So you can see from here, this is the platform where the customer one places one sell advertisement. Yeah. And customer two wants to buy the products. Yeah. And go to the slide number 18. E-government is basically this the business by over e-commerce by the government. Yeah, basically that's what it means. So we have like in slide 19, slide number 19, we have business to government. B2G is a model or a version such as website used by government to trade exchange information. Various organizations such as website are created by the government and provide a medium to business submit the application government to the government. So you can see from here, start from here to this one and then to the government. It reaches to the government. Then we have slide number 20, government to business. Government uses B2G model websites such as website support auction tenders and application submission functionality. We have the government, website, and business organization. So the process to move from the government, then to the website, and then it reaches to the business organization. So then we have the last one, government G2C. Government is a model approach in a general, such as support of auction of vehicle machinery and other materials. Such websites provide likes of registration of birth, and main objective are to reduce time the people. So this one basically is meant for the citizen of a country. So the government is the one that provides services to the citizen and places the services to the website. That's the e-commerce. For example, we have Uduma, like e-citizen platform. Yeah, yeah. I think that's all. That's the end of my presentation. Thank you.